Mackenzie is microwavable. Airplane. Hello interweb, my name's Mackenzie and I am not talking about the Olympics today. Don't get me started. So today's video comes to you in 3 parts of shameless self-promotion, and here they are. Number 1, I have set up a Twitter account for Mackenzie is Microwavable. You can find it at the link downstairs. I swore a while ago that I would never get a Twitter, but I feel like I need one just to kind of put myself out there. I have sent exactly 8 tweets and at least half of them are links to my personal blog, which you can also find in the downstairs. But I'm also going to do this thing on my Twitter account where I tell you what the national food holiday is for that day. So today, what is today? Today is Friday and I don't know what it's. I'm looking on this website called The Nibble, and if that's not a sexual innuendo, I don't know what is. Yes. So August the 3rd is National Watermelon Day. Yay! So go get some watermelon. Self-promotion number 2 is that I have also set up a Facebook page for Mackenzie is Microwavable. So if you are addicted to Facebook like most of the population, you should go like it. Self-promotion number 3 is actually not to do with Mackenzie is Microwavable. It is to do with my personal blog, which is ramblemecolorful.tumblr.com. And I have started some new things on that blog that I want to tell you about. The first is I will be posting an outfit of the day every day for the 5 days of the week, not on the weekends. I will also be posting a quote of the day and a song of the day. So check that out if you're looking for some new music or some semi-inspirational quotes, or you just want to read it because you're nice. I am also bringing back the Little Things list on that blog. The Little Things list is about the little things in life that make us smile or make us happy and that we need to appreciate more. And that's really the whole idea behind my blog, is just appreciating little things, even if they're just pictures on Tumblr or videos on YouTube or other things like little notes to you in the morning or your dog. I'm gonna have time to do all of these things. Another thing that I will be posting every week is I will do a movie of the week. So it will be either themed to what is going on in the week, or it will just be a new movie that I haven't watched before. So you should definitely check out all of those different things. I know people really hate when vloggers or bloggers or anybody asks for you to subscribe or like or follow or heart or reblog or share, and I really hate that too. So this is the one time I will ask you to do any of that. Let's run through the social media sites. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, rate, whatever else you do on YouTube, my videos and my channel. That would be awesome. Make sure you like the page and post things and comments and reactions to videos, and that would be great. Make sure you follow, heart, reblog, comment, ask, whatever on my Tumblr, either Mackenzie is Microwavable or Ramble Me Colorful, and that would be awesome. I'm still getting up on my Twitter lingo, so forgive me. Make sure you follow, like, retweet, tweet at me, whatever you do on Twitter. Make sure to help me out here. If you have any tips for me for Twitter, send them my way because I need them. Whew, we got that over with. Okay guys, so make sure you check out all of the different things, and I will see you in the kitchen. Bye! Also, I have an announcement. Next week I will be vacationing in exotic Fosston, Minnesota. It's actually the small town where my grandmother lives, and my mom and my aunt and I are going to visit her before I go back to school. And I haven't had a vacation in about 3 years, so I'm freaking excited. That sounds really lame, but it's the truth. So my plan for next week's vlog is going to be taking you around Fosston. So I'm actually going to take you to their heritage house, which is a house with all of these antiques. It's like a museum, and it's really cool. I really like it because I'm a dork and I like these things, and so that's going to be the plan, and I hope it works out. So that's where I will see you guys next week.